again to Step by Step English 1.
This is the podcast where English is part of your daily life.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Just relax, enjoy, and remember, no stress, no pressure.
Step by step, you'll get better every day. Okay, let me think. Last weekend, something really embarrassing happened to me. I went to a restaurant with my cousin, and honestly, my brain just stopped working.
Oh no, what happened?
Well, we arrived at the restaurant, and there was a woman at the entrance. She smiled and said something, and I think she said, "How many people?" And I was like, yes? Oh gosh.
That sounds stressful.
Yeah. Then she repeated it slower. How many people? And I said, 2 persons. Oops, sorry, 2 people.
That's okay. To be honest, that's a very common mistake. And actually, this is the perfect example for today's topic.
Really?
Yeah, today we're talking about easy English conversations at a restaurant, from the moment you arrive until you pay and leave.
Oh, wow. I really need this episode.
So let's start right at the entrance of the restaurant. Someone looks at you and asks a very simple question. How many people?
Let me think. You are 2? Wait, oops, that's not right.
That's okay. A better answer is, table for 2, please.
Table for 2, please. That actually sounds nice.
Exactly. Now imagine the restaurant is full. They might say, there will be a short wait.
Short wait. Okay, so I can say, that's fine, thank you.
Yes, exactly. Please and thank you go a long way in English.
Yeah, polite English is basically please, thank you, and smiling.
Pretty much, yes. So now you sit down. What's the next thing you need?
The menu. Because without the menu, I'm lost.
Exactly. If the waiter doesn't bring it, you can politely ask, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please? Much better than give me the menu.
Yes, that one sounds a bit rude. Now you're looking at the menu, and this is the moment when many learners feel nervous. There are many words, many dishes, and not much time.
Exactly. I read the menu and I understand maybe half of it.
That's completely normal, and this is when asking questions helps you a lot. For example, you can say, "Excuse me, what is this dish?"
Excuse me, what is this dish? That feels polite, not scary.
Exactly. And if you want to know what is inside the food, you can ask about ingredients. For example, does this have onions?
Does this has onions? Oops, sorry. Does this have onions?
Perfect correction. And that's exactly how learning works. You try, you fix it, and you move on.
Yeah, better to ask than to eat something I hate.
So now the waiter comes back and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
This is the moment when my brain goes blank. That's why we keep it simple. You can say, "I would like the chicken, please." I would like the chicken, please. That sentence feels safe.
Now let's talk about drinks, because this happens in almost every restaurant. The waiter usually asks, "What would you like to drink?"
Okay. Can I have water, please?
Perfect. You can also say, "I would like a Coke, please."
I would like a Coke, please. That sounds very polite.
Now imagine some time passes. You're eating, you're talking, and suddenly your glass is empty.
Yeah, this happens to me all the time.
So you can politely ask for more. You say, "Can I get a refill, please?"
Can I get a refill, please? Much better than waiting in silence.
Okay, now let's talk about problems, because sometimes things are not perfect.
Uh-oh, like when the food is cold?
Exactly. You don't need to be angry. You just say politely, "Excuse me, this is cold."
Excuse me, this is cold. That sounds calm, not rude.
Now it's dessert time. You've finished your meal and the waiter comes over and asks, "Would you like dessert?"
Yes, I love dessert. So what do I say?
You can ask for the menu. You say, "Can I have the dessert menu, please?"
Can I have the dessert menu, please? Sounds easy enough.
Exactly. And after you look at the menu, you can ask the waiter, "What do you recommend for dessert?"
What do you recommend for dessert? That's a good one.
For example, last week I asked the waiter, "What do you recommend for dessert?" He said, "The chocolate cake is very popular." So I ordered it.
Chocolate cake, I'm in. I think I need to try that one.
Okay, let's move on to the last step. You're finished and now you want to leave. You need to ask for the bill.
Ah, yes. I always get nervous here.
It's very simple. Just say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Can I have the bill, please? That sounds good.
Now let's do the full experience again, but this time as one long conversation from the moment you arrive until the moment you leave.
Oh, wow. Okay. I'm ready.
Good evening. Welcome. How many people?
Table for two, please.
Perfect. Please follow me.
Okay. So far, so good.
Here's your table. Can I get you something to drink?
Can I have a water, please?
Of course. I'll be right back. Now let's do the full experience again, but this time as one long conversation, from the moment you arrive to the moment you leave.
Oh, wow. Okay. I'm ready.
Good evening. Welcome. How many people?
Table for two, please.
Perfect. Please follow me.
Okay. So far, so good.
Here's your table. Can I get you something to drink?
Can I have a water, please?
Of course. I'll be right back. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. I would like the grilled chicken, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Excuse me? Here's your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Sarah, I think there's a small problem.
Okay. Remember, be polite and calm.
Excuse me. Sorry, this is cold.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I'll take it back to the kitchen and bring you a hot one right away.
Thank you very much.
That was perfect. You were calm, polite, and clear.
Yeah, I didn't say it's terrible. I just explained the problem.
Exactly. That's real-life English. Would you like dessert?
Yes, please. Can I have the dessert menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Wow. Everything looks good. What do you recommend for dessert?
Our chocolate cake is very popular.
Okay. I'll have the chocolate cake, please.
Nice choice. Very natural English there. All right. I'll bring your dessert right away. While we wait, let's pause for a second. Listeners, notice something important. Tom didn't use long sentences. He used clear, polite phrases.
Yeah, short sentences help me relax. When I try to speak too much, I get nervous.
Exactly. English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be clear. Here's your dessert. Enjoy.
Wow, this looks amazing. Thank you very much.
All right. After dessert, there's one final step, asking for the bill.
Okay, I think I can do this. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course, I'll be right back. Perfect sentence. Clear, polite, and natural. Here's your bill.
Thank you. Everything was great.
And just like that, the restaurant experience is complete. You arrived, you ordered, you solved a problem, and you paid. All in English.
Honestly, that feels really good. I didn't use perfect English, but I communicated.
Exactly, and that's the goal. Okay, listeners, let's do one final practice together. Table for two, please. Table for two, please. I would like the chicken, please. I would like the chicken, please. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please?
If you can say these sentences, you can survive any restaurant.
So, friends, thank you so much for listening to Step by Step English Channel.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode and learned something new.
Remember, you don't need perfect words, you just need words you can say today.
The key to good English is
Practice every day. Be patient with yourself. Be consistent. Step by step, you will improve.
please subscribe, share this episode with a friend, and leave a comment.
We can't wait to hear from you. Until next time,
Keep practicing.
keep smiling and keep learning. Bye, everyone. Oh, and remember, if you want to keep learning about modal verbs, check out the next video so you can keep practicing. And if you're enjoying the content, feel free to leave a comment and share it with someone you know.